from Scouse Adventures. How are everybody doing? So normally on a Tuesday night we come down to this place in a minute. You've probably seen it on one of my videos or a couple of my videos for bike night. So well, today's Thursday, so they have something else on a Thursday, which is awesome. They have a car show, classic car show, hot rods, all the old 50s, 60s, 70s, 40s cars, and even 30s cars. So we thought we'd, swing on by with the cars and swing on by with the bikes and see what type of cars are on show. Now, Alberta is renowned, or Canada is renowned, to be fair, for having some amazing car shows. And if you're into cars as well, like me, you guys will love this. And if you do like this, make sure you check out my other car show videos, which I'll leave the link up here for. Actually, I've done quite a few since I've been here now for 5 years, so yeah, you should check those ones out, because there is some bloody amazing cars. And I used to have a 1981 Lincoln Continental. I used to take the car shows, and she was a beast. Beautiful car. Well, you'd still be feeling a bump 6 miles down the road. Yeah, it was a comfy car. So yeah, let's see when we turn a corner what's going on, if there is indeed any cars. It's like a surprise, isn't it? Dun dun dun. No, none. Well, one is a Corvette. Some bikes here though. Sweet. Oh, it must be later then. It's only 5:30. Yeah, so if you're ever in obviously Southern Alberta, make sure you come to check out the Irvine Hotel in Irvine. Great place. It's got a patio at the back, and obviously Tuesday night is bike night, and you've seen that, and that is epic. And obviously Thursday night is supposed to be car show night. But not sure what's going on tonight, to be fair. Maybe it's because of the COVID shite, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm sure they'll turn up. So the classic cars have finally showed up, and some nice looking bikes as well. Check it out, man. Cue that music.
Around. You don't have to stick around.
Anonymous, look, he's got the exact same one, similar anyway. Check out the fucking Indian, man. Ooh, another one, dark horse. Beauty, man. Lots of fun. I love it. That'll be my next one on the camera. Yeah, good for cruising, that's for sure. So there you go, man. There's some amazing looking cars there. Like, fuck, man, if I only win the lottery. Whew. Jesus. But I think you've got to be at least 65 years old and retired, or win the lottery, to be part of that crew, or at least have a false leg, maybe a pirate like patch and a fucking parrot on your shoulder. Either way, you've got to be old as fuck to be able to afford one of them, unless you, like I said, win the fucking lotto, or you actually got a job where you earn an absolute fortune. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful bikes. Whew, stunning bikes, cars, even beautiful cars. So we had a can of body parts, cock and knee, 2 body parts, cock and knee, and now we're on our way back home. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very pleased for watching. I do appreciate it. As you guys know, I appreciate every single one here for spending your precious time watching me waffle shit. Anyway, here we go. Back in typical Albertan highway, straight as you like. So I don't want to bore you with that shit. So you be good, stay safe, ride safe wherever you are around the world, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, you'll never walk alone.